how to skip a week on HelloFresh. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you need to take a break from deliveries, well here is how to skip a meal in the HelloFresh mobile app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the HelloFresh app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can just tap on my menu at the bottom of the screen, and from there you can simply swipe left or right to find the week that you want to skip. And there, once you have found that, you can simply tap skip week and confirm your choice. And after that, your delivery for that week will be paused and you can unskip anytime before the cutoff date. And that's it. That's how you can skip a week on HelloFresh without canceling your subscription. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.